Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Crystal. Do you still have the following symptom? Fatigue, can't fall asleep, heart discomfort, brain fog after being tested positive on COVID, then turned negative long time ago? If you or your friend or family members are still suffering from these symptoms, please watch this video to the end. It might help you to identify the root cause of your symptoms and provide some solutions to help you recover from the long post-COVID symptoms and help you restore your health. Lately, I heard a lot of discussion about the frustration of the lingering COVID-related symptoms many people are still experiencing. I know it is a long time from the pandemic, but the fact is there are still lots of people feel so tired all the time, can't exercise at all, feel short breath all the time, and feel can't think clearly, like there's some fog covering their brain. The most annoying part is, after running all kinds of tests, the ultrasound, the CT, the MRI, nothing abnormal can be found. People are like, what is going on with my body and my brain? I heard people have to give up on their job because of lacking energy, and they gain lots of weight and having problem to fall asleep or stay asleep. Their life literally got turned upside down. Why all these lingering symptoms can last for so long? What could be the real cause? Lately, I had a chance to discuss this topic with my nutrition doctor, who is one of the most respected nutrition doctors in her field. And she told me this is very common after COVID. The Science Journal, one of the most famous publications under American Association for the Advancement of Science, published an article on the joint clinical study of hospitals in the United Kingdom and the United States. From the clinical observation of the patients who were infected with COVID, they found that the blood platelets accumulation in these patients were significantly increased. There is also an increase in the proportion of fibrinous in the blood, which forms a small blood clot that causes the blood circulation disorders. This blood clot slows down the normal blood flow speed, which carry less oxygen and nutrients to various of our organs. This challenges the normal body functions and metabolism. The longer this symptom lasts after COVID, means the longer the organs and the cells of the body lack oxygen, nutrients, and blood, the more people feel lack of energy and overall fatigue. The insufficient blood supply to the brain will lead to bad sleep quality and weaken the detoxification function of the brain. My doctor emphasized on the importance of the detoxification process of the brain. It is different from other parts of the body. The lymphoid system in the brain uses the spatial difference between arteries and veins to release the toxic protein and metabolic waste caused by the viruses. When there's not enough blood flow come in, the brain is full of harmful substance which cannot be executed out normally. This forms a connection disorder of the cells in the brain, so the patients feel everything is vague and foggy. It usually takes longer time before the medical devices can detect any abnormal activities. Without the supporting testing results, no doctor can prescribe any useful medication. From this observation, my doctor suggests ultimate solution to the long COVID symptom should start with improving blood circulation disorders. By initiating vascular detoxification and liver detoxification, focus on strengthening the blood circulation to carry out the toxins from the body. It will help normalizing blood flows, then restore your health. If you want to know how to detoxify the blood and the liver to improve the blood circulation, leave a comment below and we can discuss more in future videos. Or if you have some other practical advice and experience, feel free to leave comments below for more discussion. Let's help each other to get better health and more vitality. That's all for today's sharing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.